The Bourse de Valeurs Mobilières de Tunis, BVMT, often known as the Bourse de Tunis, is the Tunisian stock market. It was launched in 1969 and now has about 50 equities on its platform, denominated in Tunisian dinars. The Financial Market Council, which is controlled by the government, is in charge of the exchange. The government has offered tax advantages to encourage more firms to go public, but corporations have been hesitant to do so. Tunisia's economy is undergoing liberalization following decades of significant governmental guidance and engagement in the country's economy. For more than a decade, prudent economic and budgetary planning has resulted in moderate but consistent growth. Oil, phosphates, agri-food products, auto parts manufacture and tourism have all contributed to Tunisia's economic prosperity in the past. Tunisia is ranked 92nd in the World Economic Forum's Global Competitiveness Report for 2015 to 2016. Tunisia is ranked 96th globally and 5th in Africa in the latest HDI report for 2014. On September 2, 2020, a new administration was sworn in. Haikem Machichi, the country's Prime Minister, has stated that his top priorities are to solve the country's economic and social problems, rebalance public finances via discussions with lenders, and initiate reforms to reduce subsidies and programs that support state-owned enterprises. Tunisia presented draft reform programs to international partners in April 2021, but the government has yet to present a comprehensive, detailed strategy to address the country's deep economic and financial challenges, which are now manifested in unprecedented levels of the budget deficit and public debt. For non-resident individuals, the capital gains tax on the sale of Tunisian shares will be 2.5%. First, with more than 100 regions covered, you can learn more with the Exotic Markets book available on Amazon. Second, you can explore sector and industry intelligence for different countries by going to pervasives.com. If you have an issue in relation to accounting and tax with foreign stocks, you can contact us by going to our website.